How to get rid of bitmoji on Snapchat. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to get rid of your bitmoji on Snapchat, what you're simply gonna do is first launch the Snapchat app on your device. Now, in the top left corner of the screen, you can see your profile's bitmoji. Click on it. Then, in the top right, you'll see the settings icon. Go there. Now under my account, you'll see the option which says Bitmoji, which is over here. Go there. Now you'll be presented with three options. Change my outfit, edit my Bitmoji, and choose a selfie. And under there, you can see the option which says unlink my Bitmoji. Click on it, and then if you go to remove, then your Bitmoji will be removed. So if you've chosen a avatar for your Bitmoji, then after you remove it, all the items, all the clothes will be removed from your wardrobe. So you can simply remove it from this process. So hope you liked it, and thank you for watching till the end of the video. See you in the next one.